In a disturbing turn of events, 6 members of a vigilante group in Quebec, Canada, were arrested. These individuals are accused of taking the law into their own hands. They targeted people they suspected of being pedophiles. Their methods were dangerous and illegal. The group posed as minors online. They created fake profiles on social media and dating apps. They used these profiles to lure individuals they believed to be pedophiles. The group then arranged meetings with these individuals. When the unsuspecting targets arrived, the vigilantes confronted them. These confrontations were often aggressive and intimidating. The group recorded these encounters and posted the videos online. Their actions, though seemingly aimed at protecting children, have landed them in serious legal trouble. The charges against them highlight the dark side of vigilante justice. The vigilante group now faces multiple charges. These charges include distributing child abuse images, criminal harassment, intimidation, and forcible confinement. These are serious offenses with severe consequences. The charges stem from the group's tactics. To lure their targets, the vigilantes used fake photos of minors. Creating and distributing these images is illegal, even if the intent is to catch criminals. The law does not differentiate between real and fabricated child abuse material. Possessing or sharing such content is a crime. Furthermore, the group's confrontations went beyond simply exposing alleged predators. They harassed and intimidated their targets. In some cases, they even physically detained them against their will. These actions constitute criminal offenses. The charges against the group demonstrate a crucial point. Good intentions do not justify illegal actions. The case in Quebec underscores the dangers of vigilantism. While the desire to protect children is understandable, taking the law into one's own hands is never the answer. Vigilantism undermines the rule of law. It creates a climate of fear and suspicion. It can lead to miscarriages of justice. When individuals appoint themselves as enforcers, due process is ignored. Vigilante groups often lack the training and expertise of law enforcement professionals. They may misinterpret situations, leading to wrongful accusations and harm to innocent individuals. Their actions can have serious consequences for both the accused and themselves. Moreover, vigilantism can hinder legitimate police investigations. Their interference can compromise evidence and jeopardize ongoing operations. When vigilantes overstep past incidents and consequences, the Quebec case is not an isolated incident. There have been numerous cases worldwide where vigilante groups have overstepped their bounds. In some instances, these groups have mistakenly targeted innocent individuals, causing them undue stress, reputational damage, and even physical harm. In other cases, vigilante actions have interfered with police investigations, hindering the course of justice. For example, a group's attempt to apprehend a suspected pedophile could disrupt a carefully planned sting operation, allowing the real perpetrator to escape. History is replete with examples of vigilante justice gone wrong. From the Salem witch trials to modern-day online shaming campaigns, the desire to punish perceived wrongdoers outside the legal system has often resulted in tragedy and injustice. The crucial role of professional law enforcement. The Quebec case highlights the vital role of professional law enforcement in dealing with crimes, especially those as sensitive and complex as child exploitation. Police officers and investigators undergo extensive training to handle these cases effectively and ethically. They have the knowledge, skills, and resources to gather evidence, apprehend suspects, and prepare cases for prosecution. They understand the intricacies of the law and the importance of due process. Their actions are governed by strict protocols and oversight mechanisms designed to protect the rights of all citizens. When individuals take the law into their own hands, they bypass these safeguards, potentially jeopardizing the integrity of investigations and undermining the pursuit of justice. It is imperative to trust the legal system to address criminal activity. Upholding justice, a shared responsibility. While the actions of the vigilante group in Quebec are unacceptable, their concern for child protection is understandable. Protecting children is a shared responsibility that requires a multifaceted approach. Parents, educators, community leaders, and law enforcement agencies all have a role to play. It is crucial to educate children about online safety, teach them how to identify and report suspicious behavior, and create a safe environment where they feel empowered to speak out. Law enforcement agencies need adequate resources and support to investigate and prosecute child exploitation cases effectively. By working together within the bounds of the law, we can create a safer world for children. Vigilantism, however well-intentioned, is not the answer. It is through collaboration, education, and a commitment to upholding the principles of justice that we can truly make a difference.